What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge. Electricity is a basic part of nature and it is one of our most widely used forms of energy. And it is a secondary energy source, which means that we get it from the conversion of other sources of energy. Like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power and other natural sources which are called primary sources. Why is electricity the most important energy? Electricity is an essential part of modern life. People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, and refrigeration and for operating appliances, computers, electronics, machinery, and public transportation systems. Why is electricity very useful in our daily lives? Electrical energy is one of the most commonly used forms of energy in the world. It can be easily converted into any other energy form and can be safely and efficiently transported over long distances. As a result, it is used in our daily lives more than any other energy source. Can I live without electricity? Imagine life without electricity. Would you be able to get to work, cook, or heat your house? If you live in an urban area, the answer is most likely no. Digitalization is changing the way we live with more automated and internet-connected devices than ever before, making the effects of power failure far greater. Electricity is the backbone of modern society. Our life will go back to the primitive age without electricity. There is a need for rational use of electricity, as it is largely produced from non-renewable sources like coal and water. The discovery of electricity was a turning point of history. Because without it we wouldn't live in the world that we live in today, which is filled with life-changing technology, but it all needs and uses electricity. Without electricity you wouldn't be able to view this page or be on a computer at this very moment.